Hello guys, Alex here again, physio from Growing Younger. So today is the day 2 of our back health week, and I'm going to give you another exercise to do for your back, and also give you one tip that's going to help you either avoid back pain or help you recover from it. Okay, so the exercise I'm going to show you is called child's pose. Okay, you might have possibly done this before. Now, who is it particularly good for? So it's particularly good for arthritic back pain. So obviously we're dealing with people over 40. Now, this is particularly common for people, I would say, in their 50s, 60s, maybe even 70s. So if you're starting to get a bit of arthritis, a bit of wear and tear in your lower back particularly, you'll probably find it difficult to stand up for long periods of time. Okay? So if you're getting pain when you're standing, say if you're doing dishes or cooking, and you're standing up for a long period of time, and you're starting to get a bit of pain, there's a good chance that you might be experiencing some arthritic pain in your back. So this stretch is particularly good for this type of pain. Okay, so this is what you do. So you go on your knees, you go on your all fours, and then you bring your hips down onto your heels, and you bring your head down to the floor. And you stay there for about 20 seconds, okay? So the idea is to hunch your back as much as possible, particularly your lower back. So that what it does, it helps to open up your facet joints in your spine. It kind of decompresses that whole area, and it usually gives you relief. So this stretch should give you relief pretty much right away. Okay? This is one of those stretches that you can use in your toolbox to alleviate your pain pretty much immediately. Okay, so give it a try. If it gives you relief, keep doing it, okay? If it makes you worse, if it makes you sore, don't do it again, okay? Because I don't know your specific type of injury, I can't say that this will definitely work for you, but this helps a lot of people, so you can give it a try, okay? Now, the tip of the day today, it's more, not so much a tip, it's more of I want to talk about a myth that people have about back pain, okay? So we hear a lot of the time when people say, look, I want to get fit, but I can't exercise because I have back pain. Okay? In the vast majority of cases, this is simply not true. Okay? In fact, most types of back pain will actually benefit from certain type of exercise. Now, obviously, if you're going to start lifting a lot of heavy weight, it's going to make it worse. Okay? So there's certain types of exercise you probably will need some expert help in selecting the type of exercise that will actually help you. But generally speaking, you should still be able to get fit. You should still be able to get stronger and get fitter. So basically, if you have back pain and you want to get fit, you want to lose weight, talk to us, and we'll be able to help you to pick the exercise that will actually be safe for you, and also will help you to get you to your goals. Okay? All the best for now, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.